Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the notification language in Binance. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface of Binance Web, and I have already logged into my account. Now let's simply look at how to change the notification language. At the top right next to deposit, you will see a profile-like icon right here, and from here, as you can see, many things opened up. From here, all you guys need to do is simply scroll down to the very bottom till you see the settings tab. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. This is the settings tab. From here, you can change your nickname and avatar, look at your C2C profile and others. But for now, simply scroll down and right here, you can see something called as notification language. And right here on its next, currently it is set to English. I want to edit it, so I'm simply gonna click on edit. Now this is it. Simply select the language of your choice and hit on confirm. Well guys, that is it. That's how we change the notification language. This will affect the language settings of email and app push. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. That's how we change the notification language. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.